Let me guess, you almost started today. You opened your notes app, you watched a how to focus video, you told yourself tomorrow I'll lock in, and somehow tomorrow keeps getting pushed back. If that hit a little too close to home, this video is for you. There's a trap nobody really talks about. It doesn't feel like procrastination, it actually feels productive. You plan, you prepare, you think about starting, you tell yourself you're getting ready, but you never actually cross the line. This is what I call the almost started trap, and it quietly steals years from people our age. Think about school for a second. You sit down to study, you clean your desk, you rewrite your schedule, you even feel motivated for a moment. Then it turns into, I'll start after dinner, then tomorrow morning. And suddenly it's exam week, stress is through the roof, and your confidence is gone. The same thing happens with creators. You plan the perfect content, you watch other people grow, you tell yourself, I just need a little more time. Weeks go by, no uploads, no momentum. Here's the scary part. Your brain counts almost starting as progress. And that's where everything falls apart. Your brain loves preparation because it's safe. No risk, no failure, no embarrassment. Planning gives you a small dopamine hit, so your brain goes, nice, we're improving. But real growth only happens when things get uncomfortable. That's why this trap is so dangerous. It makes you feel productive without actually changing your life. So if you're stuck here, hear this clearly. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're not broken. Your brain just learned a shortcut that keeps you comfortable, and once you see it, you can break out of it. Here's how you escape the almost started trap. First, stop aiming to start. That word is too big and your brain pushes back. Instead, aim for one ugly action. Not a full study session, just open the book and read one paragraph. Not a workout, just put on your shoes. Not a YouTube video, just write the title. Make it so small your brain can't argue with it. Second, use the 10-minute rule. Tell yourself you're allowed to quit after 10 minutes. Most of the time, once you begin, momentum takes over. And if it doesn't, you still win because you cross the line. Action matters more than intensity. Third, stop ending your days with plans. End them with proof. One small thing you actually did. Action builds identity. Motivation doesn't. Every time you do something, even badly, your brain starts seeing you as someone who takes action. Because every time you almost start, you reinforce the habit of delay. But every time you actually start, even imperfectly, you become the kind of person who moves forward. That's the real shift. So tonight, don't plan your comeback. Don't wait to feel ready. Just do one ugly action. 10 minutes, that's it. Stop almost starting, and let's actually level up together.